This is that tire quickly. We've got a big hole in the tire. You're gonna have to change tires over a little bit. Just hear that loud swishing. I think if there's anything happening at the water, we'll go back and have a look at that. Otherwise, I'll be changing the tire. Welcome to have a look. Ali's just letting us know it's very quiet at the water, and unless something happens down there, or unless something happens here, we'll go back to the water. But for the moment, let's have a look. Alex can show you around a little bit, and maybe you can show you from that side. I'll show you one or two of these things that we use when we change tires. Take this camera off, Peter. Yeah. This one. This is a very handy tool, actually. One of those things that people often wonder what they are. Let me show you. Very simple thing. It's called a high lift jack. I'm not going to explain how it works, but it works very, very well. It gets you out of mud, sand, and helps you to fix a tire. Always something that can happen on drive, keep it interesting. Actually quite lucky here in Sabi Sands. Relatively speaking, there's not that many thorn bushes and trees. There are some other game reserves, Madikwe for instance, reserve I've worked in a little bit. It's got a lot of thorn bushes, sickle bush and so forth. So there you get to change tires all the time. Bad day there, you'll change tires 2 or 3 times in a drive. Over here we change it seldom enough that it's actually almost recreational in a way. I should have had more coffee this morning. I'll tell you why, but maybe you guys could figure out why. Alex, why?
I don't know.
What am I doing at the moment that's really silly?
Changing a tire.
Yeah, no, that can be, but that's quite important. But what tire are we changing? The back one. And where did I put my jack? In the front. It's not gonna work.
Oh yeah.
First, need something to put in front of the tire. Some the logs in the way. hole. Might be a non-fixable problem. Things we do to keep busy in the bush. These tires haven't been changed for a while. Back ones always have a flats in the front.